Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use clipping masks, and we're going to create this image that I've got in front of me. Let's get straight into it. So first, what you're going to do is create a new document. For this you're going to want an A4 image, and it's going to want to be landscape. Doesn't matter about anything else, just A4 landscape. RGB color, 8-bit, white background, or you could change it to black just for the sake of this video, just to make it easier for you. So you've got your background. We're going to create some text now. First thing you want to do is click on the page and then type what you want to see. I'm going to type hello, just as it's easier, and enlarge it. Make it as big as you want to fit the page. I'm just going to change the color. Once you have your text in front of you, you are going to want to import an image. So the image I'm going to choose is the one off this one. It's going to be New York. I can leave it in the description for you if you need be. Right, so I have my image. Now you're asking what's next. First thing you're going to want to do is enlarge it so it covers your text completely. So there's my text. I'm going to make my text a little bit bigger just so it covers the page just about, and line it. As you can see, the image does not cover the text, so you're going to want to enlarge it a little bit more. And once it covers the text, what you want to do is go to your layer with the image, right click, and you're going to want to scroll down to create clipping mask. Once you've got to this, you're pretty much there. Click this, and as you can see, it goes over the top of the image. And once you are at this stage, you can drag it down, you can drag it across just to move it side by side, just so you can get the building in line. You can make it bigger if you really want to, dabble with it like that, and just have the tops of the buildings if need be. It's completely up to you, personal preference. I like it like that, where you can see some of the building tops and some of the nightlife. And that is a really quick way of creating a clipping mask. That's all for now. I'm going to create one more of these images and I'll be right back. Right, so once again, I'm back with my image and my text. It's going to be really short and quick, just so I don't keep you waiting. You're going to want to get your image, place it over the top, like so. Once you've got it in place, you're going to right click on it, go down to create clipping mask, and voila, there you go. You've got a lovely little mountain scene over the top of the text. It might look even better if we made the background black. I'm going to get the paint bucket tool, just make it black like that. It just stands out really nice. So that is all for this video, guys. It's very short and sweet, but it's got a lot of quick information for you to use. I would love it if you comment and leave me some of your thoughts on the video. That'd be great. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.